When the China-US trade war started in 2018, Southeast Asia benefited as companies looked to diversify production and supply chains. US tariffs are now in effect, but ASEAN countries negotiated lower rates. Singapore faces 10%. Vietnam reduced a potential 46% tariff to 20% for domestic goods, and Cambodia, Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, and the Philippines agreed to 19%, avoiding major economic shocks. Chinese investment into ASEAN surged from 2020 to 2024, and the China Plus One strategy has companies shifting production here to balance operations between China and the US. Origin rules are stricter. Malaysia, Vietnam, and Indonesia are tightening certification requirements to prevent the region from being a way station for Chinese goods. ASEAN remains attractive for manufacturing, with raw materials, lower labor costs, strategic location, and strong trade agreements like CPTPP. Foreign companies can maximize success by working with a market entry specialist to ensure smooth setup, compliance, and growth in Southeast Asia's dynamic manufacturing landscape.